Welcome to the BTU booth here at IPC Apex Expo. I'm delighted to be joined by Kristen Matson, who's the Director of Strategic Marketing. Corporate Strategic Marketing, is that correct?
That's correct, thank you. Yes, I work for Amtech, which is the parent company for BTU now. So.
Absolutely. So, we've got a couple of things we want to talk about here today. A few new products and updates to existing products. Now, about a year ago, we had a really close look at your AquaScrub, which is an amazing piece of equipment. Tell us about some of the recent updates you've made to that.
So the AquaScrub and some of our other developments are really focused on saving our customers time. We're hearing more and more from customers. They're so busy, often have a hard time taking a break to do development or other things. So we're trying to solve that problem. And the AquaScrub, which came out a couple years ago, made a big step in that direction. And we've done a lot of joint development with some key customers. And some of the key improvements that we've made include optimizing the extraction, which is where you take the hot gas out of the oven, where's the best place to get the most of these flux-laden contaminants brought directly to this scrubbing system of the AquaScrub.
Right.
And the other major change we made is we changed the formula for the additive that we put in this aqueous scrubbing system, which pulls those contaminants out of the gas. And so we now have a proprietary formula which we call the AquaScrub 300 formula, which has brought the system from very high efficiency to incredibly high efficiency for our customers. And we're seeing customers that are trying one or two AquaScrub roll them out on all of their lines globally because it's such a major impact to productivity.
Yeah, well, I mean, it really is. I mean, because it's such a horrible job cleaning these ovens from the dirty, sticky flux that's in there. So
if you've ever seen a picture of a flux-contaminated reflow oven, it is not a pretty one.
Exactly. So the other thing you've got here this week, Kristen, is you've launched a new product called Profile Tracer. Tell us a bit about that and how it works.
So the Profile Tracer is kind of our next evolution in our objective of optimizing the process control of the reflow oven. We introduced Profile Guardian, which is a tool to measure deviation from a known good state, and now we're linking that to the profile used by introducing our own profiler. The thing that's different about our profiler is we actually measure three things at the same time.
Right.
We're calling it in one pass technology. So we're measuring the zone temperature using pyrometers, the temperature of the product using the thermocouples, which is traditional profiling, and we have a vibration monitor that is included in the profiler also.
Why would you use a vibration monitor?
So some processes are sensitive to vibration. We see customers that have to qualify lines using vibration monitors, but one of the things that's different about this is when we see those customers do that vibration monitoring, those sensors are not compatible with reflow temperatures.
Right.
So they have to do those vibration analysis cold, which is not realistic process conditions. So this is the first time that we've seen that customers are able to do their vibration analysis at reflow temperature.
Right, I see. Now, I mean, BTU as a company is involved in quite a number of different industries. Rather than, we know you for electronics, of course, but you're also involved very much in the semiconductor side. You're involved in a whole different slew of different industries, and ranging from nuclear to bakery to whatever.
Yeah, not so much bakery,
no?
but we do have a custom division here in the U.S., and we also have a diffusion furnace product that is also manufactured in the U.S.
Right.
And the exciting thing that's happening with those applications is they're really being impacted by the EV build-out.
Right.
And we're seeing BTU across the board in SMT and these other applications are really integrated to the automotive supply chain, and we're seeing a lot of our traditional customers switch over to these EV applications and doing strong build-outs of applications that include direct bond copper substrates for power modules, for radiator cooling, for batteries, and a host of other applications that have some tie-in to what we did in the past, but are now being, expanded and modified and growing quickly for this EV build-up.
Well, that's really, that's potentially a really sizable market for you.
Yeah, it's really an interesting thing to see how many different applications intersect that build out. It's really pretty cool.
Good. Well, we're all looking a lot harder at the semiconductor industry, especially now with the result of the US CHIPS Act and all the investment that's going into it. So we'll keep a keen eye on some of the developments coming out of BTU in the future.
Thank you.